How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. On Instagram, you cannot directly add or remove the C translation option on your bio. This feature is automatically applied when users view your bio in a language different from the one used when you wrote it. Basically, Instagram detects the language of your bio based on the text you provide. If a user's language settings are set differently from the language in your bio, Instagram automatically prompts them with the C translation option. Users can toggle the translation on or off at their own discretion, and it's not something you can control or disable. So basically, let's go to my profile on Instagram. Simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the edit profile option available there. Inside edit profile, all we have to do is write down the bio in a different language. Tap on the bio option available there. So here I have written the bio in a German language. So let's go see from my another profile how does this look on my Instagram bio. So here you can see there is a translation option available. Simply tap on the use translation and it is translate. To ensure that your bio is understood by as many users as possible, it might be a good idea to write it in English, as it is a widely understood language. This way, Instagram's auto translation features won't be as necessary and users can easily access your bio information without needing to toggle a translation. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.